Welcome back to One Fan's Opinion. Let's go over team points. This is One Fan's Opinion. So, in case you did not know, Mercedes is currently sitting at 358 points, Ferrari at 285 points, McLaren at 195 points. In fourth place, you've got Red Bull Racing, 151 points. Alpine in fifth, 61 points. Sixth place, Racing Bulls with 61 points. Seventh place, you've got Haas, F1 team, 21 points. Eighth place, you've got Williams with 11 points. Ninth place, you've got Audi with 10 points. 10th place, you've got Aston Martin with 1 point. And Cadillac in 11th place with a big goose egg. One Fan's Opinion, team points.